At Genfit, we specialise in providing high-quality solar PV installations, EV chargers and energy storage solutions for both residential and commercial projects across the UK. Our mission is to help businesses, communities and homeowners reduce their energy costs and carbon footprint by harnessing the power of renewable energy. We work closely with our clients from initial design and consultation stage through to the installation and maintenance, ensuring a seamless experience at every step. As a B Corp certified business and with accreditations like NIC, EIC approved contractor, Safe Contractor approved and MCS certified, you can trust that we deliver reliable, sustainable energy solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you're looking to lower your energy bills or contribute to a greener future, Genfit is here to help you make the switch to clean energy. Join us in powering the transition to renewable energy today. We use the best equipment with the best warranties from the likes of Solar Edge, Solar Watt and DMEG. At Genfit, we are committed to delivering exceptional quality and peace of mind to our customers. That's why we offer an industry-leading 6-year warranty backed by the ECA, ensuring that your installation meets the highest standards and that your investment is fully protected. Our focus on quality doesn't stop there. The products we offer come with system warranties ranging from 10 years to 25 years, giving you long-term reliability and confidence in your solar energy system. With Genfit, you're not just getting a great installation, you're getting lasting value and assurance. At Genfit, we provide a wide range of solar PV systems tailored to meet the unique needs of each project. Whether you're looking for on-roof systems, integrated roof solutions that blend seamlessly into your building design, or large-scale ground mount installations, we have the expertise to deliver the best solution for your site. Our team ensures that every system is designed and installed to maximise efficiency and long-term performance. No matter the scale or setting, we're here to make your transition to clean energy smooth, supported and stress-free. Genfit, making energy simple.